Tinnakoe. Good evening, Maggie. I am Tahira. As our this assignment is related to the land, Manafinua. And I have created a story of Katia created TRPT. So I wanted to create a resort that consists on natural material. Therefore, I chose stones. Stones has historical and cultural significance in Maori society. Therefore, I have created story stones. These are the story stones that I have drawn by myself. There is a Totara tree, and there it is moving, and there is another stage of the story, and there is another one here, and there is at the end. There. So these story stones can enhance children learning through various ways. For instance, I can share these story stones among children while telling them the story. So children easily learn the story of Katia created TRPT. Further, children can learn ordering and serialization skills by arranging these stones according to the picture on them. Further, children can explore these stones by their own, or they can retell their own stories by looking at the pictures on the stones. Furthermore, children can make different designs and patterns through these stones by playing on the floor. So I believe these story stones can use among children through various ways. Beside this, I have also created animated storytelling. Animated digital storytelling can provide children video and audio experiences that I believe are necessary in this digital era. And further, this video can be easily shared with families and fun wherever they are living by simply sharing a link. So it is believed to be another medium to express, enhance, and represent a uniqueness of a culture around the globe. So here is a story. So here is a digital story that I have created. Have a look at it.
Okatia created TRPT. On the slopes of Poketoe mountain range in the Hawke's Bay, there once stood a strong and gigantic Totara tree. Ukatia, a supernatural spirit of a god, lived within the bark of that Totara tree. Over time, in order to search for a new place to find another home, Okatia was filled with a relentless desire to reach the sea. He started his journey by going in the northwest direction from Manawatu to the west coast by using his magical power. He toppled the monumental Totara tree and pulverized all that remained in his way easily, and left a monster channel, a river, behind that was both wide and deep. One day, an extensive and huge obstruction suddenly appeared that blocked his way, a mountain chain that separates the west from the east coast. Okatia chose to force his route straight through. However, the mountain range was most powerful. It resisted every blow of Okatia that came from the tree, Totara. Attacking many times, it was obvious that Okatia's exploration came to an end. Nevertheless, Okatia never gave up easily, so he decided to match his will to that of the Tararua ranges. So he summoned all his will and power, and with only one next blow from the mighty tree, split the wall of rock and earth in two. This provided a convenient bed for the Manawatu River. The Tararua and Rohania mountain ranges became separated from that point, and the Manawatu River was born. In memory of the occasion, Te Aruri Atuanga, the streaming flow of the south, was given to portray that piece of waterway in the George TRPT. Okatia, feeling content with his efforts, kept his route moving toward westward at a great pace as he hustled to the ocean, gone forever. Tiapiti remains a reminder for its power and ability, and its magnificence as is that of legend. So both of my resources, I believe, can support and in facilitate the story that I have created. Okatia created TRPT, the Manavatu George.